Hello YouTube, my name is Ryan T and these are my thoughts and observations. I wanted to start off today something a little light, a little bit of a book review, maybe a series overview. One of my favorite authors, David Weber's, and his novel On Basilisk Station. Sorry if I'm butchering the pronunciation. Um, this series is excellent. If you like hard sci-fi, if you don't care if your author kills characters that you love after a long period of time of following these people for years, this is a series for you. A little bit of series background. They are in the process of making a movie. There is a iOS game that should be coming out soon, Android game to follow. A new graphic novel series just started that is similar to, but not exactly following the storyline of the novels. There is something like 16, 17 mainline novels. It has spawned two parallel novels that follow the main storyline and have, over the last several books, become very intertwined. There is a young adult novel series that fills out and expands on the history, and they're actually starting another hard sci-fi series in the same universe, also filling out the past history leading up to the present day novels, as it were. Um, it is military sci-fi. It is set in the future. The thing I really enjoy about the first novel is the characters actually, you're catching things in the middle of things. The series has already been going on for a while by this point. She's already served in the military for several years. She's just moving on to her first big command, and it's a brilliant way to start things. Already starts tension with her crew and the way they all come together and work together. It gives you a starting where she starts in the series. David Weber, he's able to kind of show you and build the technology, build the universe in a fantastic way. It really is quite enjoyable to read. The final death ride is amazing. I enjoy the fact that she makes a decision, based off what is good information that she honestly did not have to do. If she hadn't done what she did, things actually would have turned out well for her. But by making the decision she does, it boosts her career and kind of brings around the events of the later novels. I also enjoy, there are alien species in this book series, but they are very muted. Essentially, in this series anyway, the human race is the first civilization to really get a lot of technology. There's apparently been one other one, but they died out and are really irrelevant. They're mentioned very briefly. Um, Otherwise, it's essentially a Paleolithic caveman era species, and then a bunch of cat, monkey analogs that use stone tools. Otherwise, it is just the human race spread out, and it is us versus ourselves, human foibles, causing us to harm one another, greed, ignorance, just the stuff that we have to deal with today. It's the same human race, it's just set in the future. Um, but again, I really highly recommend this series. The first couple books feel a little formulaic. Meet her new ship, meet the crew, go on a death ride, but the death ride is thrilling um, and highly enjoyable every time. Anyway, I just wanted to toss up a quick little review for this book. I might do a series review a little later. Uh, Thanks for listening. Link, like, and subscribe.